Hey guys, here comes my next video. In this video I will tell you how to buy WoW Serum in just 99 rupees and also you will get cashback. So for this you need to install Cashkaro. I already make a video on how to install Cashkaro, register and all those. You can check that video. I will give the link in the description box. Now I will show you how to claim this offer. You can directly claim this offer through WoW site also, but in Cashkaro you will get some cashback, so better to use Cashkaro. As you can see in your screen, I open Cashkaro app. This is how the Cashkaro app look like. Just scroll down. Here you will see new flash deals live now. Go to WoW. Now copy the code, click on grab deal. Now cashback activated screen will come. Add the product to the cart, copy the code in the discount section. After that add shipping address, then payment section will come. It will charge 99 rupees. You can do payment online or COD. Now click on place order. That's it. काफ़ी सिंपल है. So guys, मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट 3-4 दिन पहले ही ऑर्डर किया था, तो फाइनली मुझे आज प्रोडक्ट रिसीव हुआ है, तो चलिए अनरैप करते हैं. So the packaging is quite good and the product is 30 ml product. And this product claims that it's free from parabens, silicone, mineral oil, and it's dermatologically tested also. And in this product it mentioned that it will help in anti-wrinkle toning, brightening, and it suits all skin types. Nice one. And the price of the product is 599, like almost 600. So let's see the consistency and the texture of the serum. So bottle में एक cap provided है जिसे आप open करेंगे and then press करना है. Then the serum will come out. So the consistency is watery type and it's very lightweight also. काफ़ी अच्छे से मेरे स्किन में absorb भी हो गया. जब ये प्रोडक्ट पूरा एब्जॉर्व हो गया, माई स्किन फील सो सॉफ्ट. तो मुझे तो ये प्रोडक्ट काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. एंड दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो गाइज. If you want to buy this product, then link is in the description box. I place Cashkaro link and the product link also. You can check it out. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Stay tuned.